Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to white out text in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and I will white out this text. Click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this redact option. Click here. Now click on this arrow option and first select properties option and I will fix reduction color dialog box now open and click on this appearance option and this general option appearance and this fill color option. Click here and simply select here white color. Now select OK and now drag your mouse cursor and select your text and see this preview. This text now selected. Also I will select this text and see this and this and finally select this apply option. Now select OK and rename your redaction file. Stop. Save. Wait for a few seconds and see this. Our text now redacted and see this. In this way you can redact a specific text or word in your PDF file. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.